Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 149. If we start with this box, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 9, 6. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 7, and I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, we're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 2, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 7. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 here and a 7 here, so this is our 3. 2 here makes this our 7, 2. For this column now, we're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing a 2. For this row, we're missing a 3. For this box, we're missing an 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. That 7 makes this our 3, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 6. For this column now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. And for this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.